Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your UnitedHealthCare UCard. So in order to activate it, you will first have to open your web browser, and here you just have to simply type uhc.com, and then you will have to come to this page. Over here you will see the sign in or the register option, so you need to simply tap on it, and now you will have to provide your username and password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in order to activate your U card, you will have to simply tap on the activate button that you see after login into your account. Afterwards you will have to just follow the process, and this way you will be able to easily activate your U card. Now if you face any of the problems while activating your U card, you will have to come on uhc.com again, and now you just have to scroll down in the bottom. Here in the bottom you will see the contact us option, so you need to simply click on contact us, and over here you just have to simply select any of the queries. Now if you are not able to find your query in this section, you just have to simply click on it, and then you will see the contact number, and you can simply call them and ask them for the steps or for further details. You can even ask them that you want to activate your card, and the customer service is going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.